In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to upgrade your ship in Starfield. So let's get started. There are various ways for you to customize your ship in Starfield. You'll be able to upgrade and modify ships in Starfield. As such, you won't be stuck with the default look of the spacecraft for long. There are numerous options and paths that you can install, as well as various phases to consider. So let's dive deep in on how you can upgrade and modify ships. You can upgrade and modify ships in Starfield by talking to a ship services technician NPC. So here's a quick summary. Talk to any ship services technician and select I'd like to view and modify my ships. Then you can select from the ships that you already own or the ones you have captured. Pressing the A button opens the upgrade screen, alright? And then pressing the X button opens the ship builder screen. So now I'm going to list some of the most important stats which you need to consider upgrading. So the first one is her, which is your ship's health points. So as you can see by the name, it sounds very important. Your health always needs to be on point. The next one is the reactor class, which refers to the overall power generated by your spacecraft. The next one is the crew capacity. So let's say you want to hold a bit more stuff in your ship, so you have to upgrade crew capacity. The next one is jump distance slash gravity drive, and that's self-explanatory. Next one is shield. The next there are weapons. So there are three type of weapons: lasers, ballistics, and missiles. So you can go and upgrade all of them. And then lastly, it's cargo. So cargo is the total mass of materials and resources that you can fit in your ship storage. So these are the main stats that you should try upgrading, and that's how you upgrade. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.